Traders, this will be a very short video. Okay, Aussie CAD. We've got a trend running through here. We have a bearish breakup structure here. This thin candle, retrace, grab the fib, take it from the high of this bearish distribution, pull back into the 61.8786. Let's have a look at it on the 4H. By the way, guys, make sure you click the link below and jump on board our Telegram group. Yeah, see this move here, imbalance now looking to resolve as this trades back up in. Well, you could grab this balance area up here on the 4H, mark that up. I like this move here. I like this the sell-off break of structure, and now the pullback back up in here. So I'm short the Aussie CAD based on that. We could go a short position, just go in, that would have been a market sell, go in above this balance area in here with your stop loss. And I mean, look, go out to the daily, weekly, have a look at it. Well, the daily will do. What do we got? That's a setup, and look to take profit at about 1-to-1 risk reward, just down around these highs around here, TP1. And then, once you take TP1, trail it with your stop loss and see what you can get out of it. I mean, if you did that back up in here, look at the outcome. So let's just see if we get that or something similar. Okay, guys, that's it. Click the links below, jump on board. Have a great day, safe trading, and we'll see you in the next one.